You searched how to buy shares of Atkore Inc. This company makes electrical conduit and cable management products and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ATKR. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as a practical example. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ATKR to find Atkore Inc. Make sure you select the listing on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the Atkore stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the right asset. To invest, click Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will be queued and executed when trading reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Your Atkore position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. Check the video description for the link if you want to learn more.